Let's delete Instagram account together. Just go to your profile. There are three dots on the top right side. Then you will find settings. Then here you will find help. Go to help. Then there help center. Then choose three dots on top right. There you will manage your account. Then go to delete your account. Then there will you find how do I delete my Instagram account. Then scroll down a little bit. There you will find delete your account. Then you just need to choose why you want to delete, privacy concerns or anything else. Then just re-enter your Instagram account password. You just need to re-enter just for confirmation or verification layer. And then after that you have to click on delete your account with your account name. Then just click OK. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments. Please give a thumbs up and share this video.